Hospitals across India have been reporting several cases of black fungus, a rare fungal infection affecting people who have recently recovered from COVID-19. Here's all you need to know about it. So what is black fungus? The truth is, we don't know everything about it yet, but let's start by calling it what it is: mucormycosis. It's an aggressive and invasive fungal infection caused by a group of fungi called mucormycetes. How does black fungus spread? Mucormycetes are ubiquitous. You can find them in soil, fallen leaves, compost, and air. Most commonly, these are inhaled through the nose. Therefore, wearing a mask probably helps prevent it. Is black fungus contagious? No. You can't get infected even if you're in close contact with someone who has the disease. What makes you more prone to black fungus? By far, the most important reason is reduced immunity. And there are several reasons for this. Diabetes, being on steroids, taking immunosuppressant drugs, chemotherapy, and so on. Why are we seeing such an outbreak of black fungus in India now? It's actually a combination of reasons. The incidence of diabetes in India is quite high. Combine that with the widespread use of steroids in patients with COVID-19 and poor glucose control, and you have an outbreak of black fungus. Are diabetes and steroid use the only reasons? There are also reports of other possible reasons, like industrial grade oxygen, tap water in humidifiers, reused masks, and antibiotic overuse. But again, the truth is that we just don't know yet. So what can we do to reduce the chances of contracting black fungus? First, if you have diabetes, make sure your blood sugar levels are controlled. Uncontrolled diabetes is one of the strongest risk factors for being infected with black fungus. Second, please don't use steroids unless prescribed by your doctor. Indiscriminate steroid use harms in two ways. First, it reduces your immunity, and second, it raises your blood sugar levels. Does that mean steroids should not be used in treating COVID-19? No, that's not correct. But you need to be careful about not using them when they're not required. Which means that if your oxygen saturation levels are normal, steroids probably do more harm than good. What happens if you have diabetes and develop severe COVID-19 requiring steroids? The risk-benefit ratio is still in favor of giving steroids, but utmost care is needed to ensure that your blood sugar levels are controlled. And do not prolong the use of steroids. What are the symptoms of black fungus? Usually, the symptoms include swelling on one side of your face, a feeling of stuffy nose, headache, red eyes, blackening of the bridge of your nose or your palate, discharge from the nose, and fever. What should you do if you develop symptoms of black fungus? First, please do not try to manage this at home or self-medicate. Black fungus requires urgent hospitalization and treatment. Mucormycosis can be treated and cured if detected early and treatment instituted. Some patients may require surgery. Cliched as it may sound, black fungus is better prevented than cured. And the best way to do that is to do whatever you can to prevent COVID-19 infection. Remember the 3 W's. Wear a mask, watch your distance, and wash your hands. And get vaccinated as soon as you're eligible.